to day 3 of 30 days of painting ladies from the 80s. Melissa Wilkinson coming at you live from my studio, which I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of today. So I work in a simple mudroom. I typically work in this space when it's too hot or too cold to sit my buns down at a chair and table in my larger studio, which is out back. It's a large garage studio, 3-car garage. So I thought I'd talk about a little bit about my setup today. I work at an old architect's desk. I've got a little tabaret with all of my inks. I work in successive layers of ink where I dilute in order to get a gradient. So I work from the lightest to the darkest, which is a rich black. And I've got all my little, equipment stacked. My brushes. I'm very, very particular about my brushes in that I work with a sable brush, which is a type of mink found in Russia, typically. I work from digital prints that I make in watercolor. So I create these collages and these mock-ups in Photoshop and print them out. And I work from prints because they don't tire my eyes out. I get very fatigued when I'm looking at a screen. A lot of artists work from screens, photorealists work from screens. Of course, my fuel is always coffee. And my puppy, always and forever completing a studio space. So that's me coming to you from my studio, and hopefully you'll join me tomorrow for day 4 of Painting Ladies from the 80s. Thanks. Bye-bye.